Have you ever dreamed to cook with Remy from Ratatouille? Yes, I have. It all started with a 3D printer. I designed and printed the parts, then brought them to life. Now whenever my hand moves, Remy's hand moves exactly the same. It's like I given it life. But how did I do it? Watch the video to find out.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Have you ever thought about cooking alongside Remy from Ratatouille? Let's do this.
I had no idea what to do, so I decided to start by writing a plan. For the first step, I start to rewatch Ratatouille again. After writing my plan in 4 steps, I think the first 2 steps will take about a week each. And the last 2 steps will also take about a week. So I needed 2 weeks to finish this project. Hopefully, I can finish it all within this time. Okay, the necessary item I use in this project is Arduino Uno and 2 stepper motor SG92R and 2 accelerometer MPU 6050. So I start searching more and more websites to find 3 model of Remy, and after many time, finally I found it. Okay, let's show you the model. I use Cora for printing model in 3D printer and insert Remy model. After resizing and making some changes, it's finally complete and ready to print.
If you like video, please subscribe and like.
Test 1 and really not completed. Test 2 and this isn't work too. Okay, I change all setting of Remy model. If it doesn't work, I don't know what to do. It seems to be going well. I hope it's finally finished. And after 6 hours, it's finally finished. And after painting, this is my Remy. Let's programming. For programming, I use Arduino and include 3 libraries, one for stepper motor and one for accelerometer and one for connect it together. Essentially, it's work like this. When the accelerometer move along z-axis, the servo motor also move. Here's general overview of our circuit. If you like, I can explain programming and the circuit in short video. Comment, explain. Okay, I started testing Remy, test and test and test to synchronize servo motor and the accelerometer. Sometimes one hand works and sometimes nothing. I must be patient because after solve any bug, we see another again. Finally, I complete Remy. I start to cook with Remy and enjoy its work. I complete this project in 2.5 weeks. I cook pancake with Remy, and this is not the end of the story.
If you like this video, please subscribe and share your idea about updating Remy or for next project. Thanks to watch.